we down this one already? No? No. Alright, so we're down some street. It is...
This one's Loretta.
Effed up. We're not going to get very far because there's a gigantic hole in the middle of the road. Which if we put on some big tires, we could get through.
Loretta?
Yeah, we're on Loretta.
I know some people that live in Loretta.
This is crazy.
At the very end.
It's still mind-blowing how this happened to us in Springfield, Massachusetts, near us. Oh my God. People give me funny looks. I don't care.
We're gonna try and go
The
off
guy's
the way.
walking an old dog. Yeah, you can clear that now. Maine.
Choppers.
Teresa Chopper. Roots. I can't get. That's a English, a German short-haired pointer. I love that dog. Just like this house, I can't get over. Can you stop here for a moment? Just stop. It's just the shingles. All the shingles are ripped off this house.
Yeah.
Wow. This house is destroyed. 265. What street are we on? Are we in Island Pond? This doesn't look like Island Pond at all. Oh my God. Can't get through an Island Pond. Holy shit.
Turning around now.
Wow. There's a German short-haired.
Phil, I heard you like her dog.
Hold on, let's pull up to her. Is that a German short-haired?
Yeah.
Love them. Taking video. We're gonna hit this with our car? No, I guess not. That girl wasn't bad looking, man. What do you think? She's like, yeah. Did she want my phone number? Workers.
Okay.
And we're going back down Surrey Road.
We can actually be helping.
Instead of taking video?
Yeah.
What fun is that?
We don't have a chainsaw.
We don't have a chainsaw, and we have a dull hatchet.
Yeah, we have that saw that I'm sure is pretty dull too.
Yeah.
But who wants to be doing that? You get tired after one cut. Tree. Unbelievable. I can't believe there weren't any fires that I heard about.
There's a gas leak, right? Look at that street. Wow, that street. Yeah. What kind of dog is this puppy? Looks like a
Lab.
That's a lab.
People spectating.
Some spectators. That hill on Memorial School is still kind of creepy to me.
Yeah.
Can I interview someone? I don't want to interview this guy with the American flag shirt because he would probably pull some shenanigans on me. Look at Get to the side of the road, you know? Cars are coming down, huh? Look at that. What is she posing for a picture? Let's go. Let me start over.